Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Atticus Advisors, helping you with consulting, strategy, and insights. Follow us for more. In the mid 1970s, Steve Jobs journeyed to India in search of spiritual enlightenment, leaving an enduring impact. His design sensibility was influenced by Zen Buddhism's simplicity and intuition he encountered. Upon returning, he co-founded Apple, inspired by his Indian experiences. Despite efforts, Apple holds just a 5% share in India's Android-dominated smartphone market. In contrast, China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan account for 18% of Apple's fiscal 2022 revenues. India is working to attract manufacturers through initiatives like the Phased Manufacturing Program. The iPhone has shown growth in India, a price-sensitive market dominated by Android smartphones. Apple's efforts to expand operations and boost local manufacturing have led to growing acceptance. Offering better financing options and trade-ins has made Apple products more affordable. India is becoming a vital manufacturing hub for Apple. India resembles what China was to Apple 2 decades ago, an enormous growth opportunity. The company is enhancing manufacturing in India and expanding its retail presence. We look at Apple's ambitious plans, product appeal, and why creatives favor. Between 1980 and 85, Apple transitioned from US-based manufacturing to heavy reliance on China. Despite initial efforts to manufacture in the US, most production moved to China due to feasibility. Today, amid US-China trade tensions, India is emerging as the next potential base for Apple. CEO Tim Cook visited India to inaugurate retail stores and explore prospects. Cook's interest began in 2016 when he met PM Modi, recognizing India's market potential due to its growing population and market dynamics. Apple currently manufactures and exports iPhone 12, 13, 14 and 14 Plus models in India through contract manufacturers like Foxconn, Pegatron and Wistron participating in India's PLI scheme. Since its launch in 2021, the scheme has attracted investments and created 50,000 direct and 100,000 indirect jobs. India has approved expansion plans for several Chinese Apple suppliers, including Luxshare Precision Industry and Sunny Optical Technology Group, diversifying India's Apple's assembly network beyond China. In the first 9 months of 2022, Foxconn and Wistron shipped over $1 billion worth of iPhones from India. Pegatron, the newest manufacturer, is set to export about $500 million worth of Apple iPhones. Apple began producing the flagship iPhone 14 in India last year and also iPhone 15, diversifying production away from China due to factors like the US-China trade war. SPMP, initiated in 2015, encourages local mobile phone assembly and component manufacturing, with over 95% of devices now locally produced. In 2022, more than 70% of iPhones in India were locally manufactured, showing India's readiness to enter critical segments of the electronics manufacturing value chain. Scaling up production in India demands robust infrastructure and skilled workflows to ensure quality. Tarun Pathak from Counterpoint Research emphasizes the need for indigenous intellectual property rights, workforce investment, and strong policies over the long term. India, with its large population and rising disposable income, is an appealing market for Apple. The company aims to manufacture iPhones locally to serve this expanding consumer base. Nitin Soni of Fitch Ratings identifies India as a key market with surging iPhone demand. How did you find this video? Did you like it? Like, share and subscribe to us for more insights. Thank you.